goes. Hey y'all, so welcome back. So real quick, right? I didn't know I had this on my shirt, y'all. Like, what is that? What y'all see? Like, I thought it was Cleveland. Anyway. Well, you know where we are. We're in the Rising, and I got I'm here to get, of course, workout for a little bit, and then I have to go to a family function, kind of family dinner, but yeah, so you guys get to come with me. All right, so you get to come. Y'all, oh my gosh. Yeah, that was a little workout. No, I wouldn't even call it little. Oh no. That's nothing. Oh, hold on, y'all. Oh yeah. I was woo, and my hands are clean. I washed them. Smoothie. I'm feeling a smoothie. I'm feeling a smoothie right now. So everything else was fine. Okay, let me just point that out. Everything else was good. You know, I was getting it with the butterfly machine. That's what I call it. The first leg machine I got on. But with that one, and then I was good with the treadmill and going in intervals, you know. Everything was fine, you know, no complaints, even the weight. However, that Stairmaster. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. I understand how it got its name. I completely understand because, oh, yeah, no. Who? I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do some intervals and this. On this one, Tara win. Wait, but anyway, yeah, no, your girl, no, the master one. Just put it that way. So no, So no, no. I keep saying like no, like y'all, my legs almost feel like cooked noodles, like a bag of cooked noodles. Okay, my legs are really sore already. It's not even the next day, so imagine, right? No, that might be the first thing I do when I go in, when I start. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I figure out what works best because I want to spend more time on that machine. I want to spend more time, yeah, on that machine. So, what am I doing? Yeah. Oh, water, hydration, definitely too. So we are going to, what I mentioned before, family gathering over to my sister's. Maybe, hopefully my little niece is there. I hope so. I hope my niece is there so I can play with her. I haven't seen her in a while. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love her. I miss her. I miss my niece. My niecey poo. So, my car is what I like to call her. Her name's Carmen, but I call her car. Alright, so I'm gonna see you in a minute. London.
You vlogging?
Yeah.
Guys, like and subscribe. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. Come on. Hey, sissy.
Hi. Hey, girl. Hey.
I really want them. She be hitting them,
What's
the
good?
little ones.
What's good?
She a hater.
You doing all right? Y'all okay today?
What's the little thing up top for?
Oh, so the wind, it blocks the wind. It filters so you can. Okay.
Yeah, I realized that.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah. And put these plates on the microwave.
Alright.
And silverware.
What's this? Pecan or pumpkin? I mean, potato
sweet
or
potato, yeah.
That one's from mommy.
I can see.
That might eat too much.
You didn't bring any biscuits back? No rolls? See how you do?
That's from David in London.
It's LOL.
Yes.
Ooh.
And that's right there. It's from mommy. This one right here with your name on it. On his ear.
This one, aw. Did you print it?
I had it made.
Let me see it. Show it. Show it
Wait a
to
minute.
me.
Don't put it on.
Turn around. Let me see. Aw.
And I got this. That's my favorite color.
So cute. Hey, that's a peep.
Marshmallow.
Yeah. So cute.
And can I open?
See if your brother can help you. Ooh, you got all kinds of Skittles.
Yummy.
Oh,
Just for that type of camera.
Any standard camera. I'm about to get some Skittles.
She's got a lot in there.
it's time to. It's an LOL doll name. No.
I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna decipher it.
Don't rip it. Wow. No. It don't have to be slow. It's my turn.
Little doll.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Stop! Oh, I see these on TV and her hair changing.
Oh.
On TV and her hair.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, her little shoes. Oh, we're out.
Don't get mad at me.
No, you didn't say nothing about
Look
it.
like a box. Like
You know.
It looked like
Tumbler.
Get it, tell me.
what tumbler?
That's what I was trying to think of. This is so cute.
What's a cowgirl?
Y'all, she just went around. She just went where he said the ball was and it wasn't there. And he's got it in his hand and look what happens. Look, watch the reaction. Wait for it.
Where is it? You're taking.
My stomach hurts.
You're a taker.
And we know we don't like those.
I'm not gonna let you open it.
Hey, because if I want it, I'm going to go get it. Hello, hello, hello. We are back. We are back. We are back, y'all. And right now we are at... Oh, that's gross. It's time for a new chapstick. Or gloss anyway. But yeah, we are at our hair appointment. Well, at my hair appointment. And yeah, I decided to get a retwist. So I'm getting, I just get a retwist. Cause y'all, I looked at my latest video, my last vlog, and boy, oh my gosh, like my lips look so dry. Like I wore chapstick, like actual like chapstick, but I didn't have no gloss on. I didn't even think about it. But I guess the reason why I didn't because I knew I would be eating anyway. So yeah, my appointment is at 12:45. It's 12:33. Of course, as usual, your girl is early, as usual. So I like being on time. That's one thing I can't say. Well, not one thing, but a couple things that I love about my characteristic or about me is that I am on time. I believe in being on time. If I'm not on time, then of course, then you know, heads up, hey, a text, whatever. But majority, like a lot of the time, I do pride myself in being on time, so I definitely appreciate that about myself. So eat on my fruit, but I brought it with me. I brought my fruit with me, y'all. It's so yummy. It's so yummy. So I'm going to, because it's gonna usually when I get my hair retwist, what was I gonna say? Yeah, when I usually get it retwist, it takes a little while because she has to go through each one and you know, twist it, and then of course you know, wash, condition it, you know, well, shampoo and condition it, and then retwist it, send it on the dryer. So it can, you know, it can be a little lengthy. It can be it can take some time. So in the meantime, in case I get hungry or whatnot, I have that in here. Well, not in here, but I have some fruit with me. I got y'all, I got the best stuff in my. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my god. Okay, I'll show you mine. Y'all, these are so good. These are so good. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure. I might I don't know, it might be a surprise. I might go tomorrow. So, and if you don't know what that means, whatever, then you'll soon find out. So, oh child, yes, Lord. Oh yeah, I gotta use the restroom. I drink so much. Listen, these, oh, I go through them. And by the way, in case Mountain Valley would like to sponsor me, I do drink hella a lot of these, okay? I drink a lot, okay? I mean, I have to buy these. I buy them now in cases. I get them in cases now because I drink a lot of water, a lot of water. Yeah, so I have this with me. If you guys didn't already notice in my previous vlogs anyway, so I keep it with me. Also, my green drink, of course. Now this is something that was like freshly like squeezed or mixed by me. This was actually V8. It's a V8 in here. V8 healthy greens is in here. So I got my greens, my fruit. Y'all already know. Y'all know the deal. So but all right, so let's go and go in because I need to use the restroom before we get started on my hair. And I can go and just, you know, chill. So all right, come on, y'all. Yeah, you get so excited, you're like, oh, yeah. $300.
You keep your mind. Glad I washed my face today.
Coat off, so okay, yes, and we're back in both. I got a little hang time, a little bit, you know, it's a little bit, you know, it's getting there, it's getting there. So we're gonna hang out with us for a little bit. Well, yeah. So yeah. This is still cold. Oh, whatever she put on my scalp. If y'all ever had a peppermint, okay, a strong mint, yeah, that's what it feels like. Oh, it's like opening up your pores, baby. It opens up the pores, open up whatever we do next. I'm waiting on her to text back, make sure they're at home. And of course they are. Look, Sue's ready to go out. And I got like 18 minutes left on this memory card, so yeah.
motherfucking league preach. I ain't got shit for a nigga. Ain't nothing in this motherfucking world free.
Oh, where is the air? Yes, air. All right, so yeah, so we're headed there now. Let's go get Munchkin and enjoy the rest of this day. So somebody tell me, when did the police get GTs now? When did this happen? When did they have GT Mustangs for police cars now? What the world? Okay, y'all, I must say, that was definitely a good workout. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Welcome, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. I hope you enjoy. Just left the gym again. And y'all, I am so proud of myself. I am so serious. I am so proud of myself because I'm staying and remaining consistent with my workout. I'm so happy. I feel so good when I work out, y'all. Like, you have no idea, y'all. Oh my god, y'all have no idea. But I feel so good, whether if it's doing yoga, whether if I'm if I am walking a trail or at the gym. Moving my body, just oh my gosh, it feels so good afterwards. You think I would have done something else, right? No, it's so liberating. So I encourage you all, especially my loving subscribers, my viewers, if you haven't already, if you haven't started working out, do it. No matter your size, whether you're skinny, fat, short, whatever, tall, whatever, it doesn't matter. Oh, there is a spider. Luckily he's small. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Go work out. Even if you start off just doing, you know, some walking around your neighborhood, or yoga even. Y'all, don't sleep on yoga. Do not sleep on yoga. Yoga helps so much with mindfulness and being centered, being in the present moment. It helps so good. It has so many health benefits. And even if you can't do all the, even if you're unable at first to do all the stretches and the you know, and the movements and flexibility, keep going, because the more you do, the better you get. Again, the more you do, the better you get. The more that your muscles will start. Personal trainers, if y'all are watching this, if any of my viewers and my subscribers are personal trainers, forgive me if I say this wrong, if I say it incorrectly. So it helps with muscle strength. And as for me, I know that some people, and it's so funny because, no offense, but you know, ignorance is bliss. So when I tell people, yeah, I'm going to the gym, or you know, I say something, mention like, what are you going to the gym? So you're so skinny. I'm like, oh my gosh, yeah. They don't know. So allow me to educate. Gym is not only for losing weight. It's not only for weight loss. It's also for toning, for strength building, for you know, just, oh goodness. Can y'all tell I'm excited? I love it. I love working out. This, you know what, that's another thing I love that my daddy taught me, and that my dad was very an advocate for, was working out, being in the gym, like lifting weights. Matter of fact, my I might show you guys if I can find it, but he actually got a trophy. He was in a competition. He actually won a trophy for lifting weights. So listen, look, all praise to the Most High, and thank you, Daddy. So yeah, being consistent. I have a goal that I want to meet, that I'm going to meet. I'm going to meet my goal, and yeah. So, oh yeah, y'all, I didn't even get my smoothie, y'all. I didn't even get my smoothie the other day when I was working out. Yeah, I worked out on a Sunday, and I left the gym at 11. What Smoothie King is open at 11 o'clock on a Sunday? Come on, like, we all know, or if you don't, most of us know that a lot of places like that are not open that early on a Sunday. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually go by Smoothie King and treat myself and to a smoothie, and I don't know, maybe, you know, put some protein powder or something in there. So yeah, so come with me, and then we're off to the next destination. I won't say what it is right now. I'll surprise you guys, because it's been a while since I've been. But let's go. Let's go. Ah!
Chocolate, coffee, pineapple, spinach, blueberry, strawberry, banana. It's a lot of choices.
Yeah. Oh, girl. All except coffee. I don't like coffee. Banana, strawberry, pineapple. I love it. Spinach. Oh my gosh, definitely spinach.
You can do pineapple, spinach, and banana.
Do that. We'll try it. Yep, we'll try it. Let me give you my
Do you want the 32 ounce? Styrofoam or plastic?
styrofoam.
Alright. What kind of name for it?
Tara. T-A-R-A.
You do that?
I do. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
And it did take off 99 cents.
Okay.
And they brought it down to $6.86. If you don't mind me asking, are you recording yourself?
Yeah.
You do like a video?
I vlog. Yeah, video vlogging. Yeah, YouTube. No, I don't mind. I like it.
It's interesting. I've never seen anybody do it.
Really? Yeah.
Like, I've seen videos, of course.
Yeah, but not like in person.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. Thank you.
And you have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Okay, y'all, we are here. Ah! Okay, I'm so excited. I can't wait for y'all to see. I'm so excited. It's been a while since I've been here. I've actually only been here once. Yeah, one time. So I'm definitely excited. I'm ready to, you know, pop. Yeah. Okay, so come with me. Let's go.
Yeah.